Hello my dear students, today we are going to learn about writing letters. First of all, let's see what are the types of letters. First one is formal letters, official letters or Rajakari Lipi. The second type of letter is informal letters, personal letters or Paudkalika Lipi. Formal letters are written in formal language. They are written for official purposes to officers, authorities, etc. They are written very short and straightforward. Formal letters අපි සාමාන්‍යයෙන් ලියන්නේ රාජකාරී ලිපි අපි ලියන්නේ රාජකාරී අරමුණු ඉෂ්ට කර ගැනීම සඳහා. එතකොට අපිට for example ලියන්න පුළුවන් principal ට අපි ලියන්නේ අනිවාර්යෙන් official letter එකක්. formal letter එකක්. ආයතනයකට මොන හරි request එකක් කරන්න අපි ලියන්නේ formal letter එකක්. Formal letters very short කියලා කියන්නේ මේවා ගොඩක් කෙටියෙන් අපිට අවශ්‍ය කාරණේ විතරක් සඳහන් වෙන පරිදි ලියන්න අවශ්‍ය නිසා. Let's look at the format of a formal letter. In a formal letter, on the top left hand corner, you should write the sender's address. යවන්නාගේ ලිපිනේ තිබිය යුතුයි. Then comes the date. දිනය. අපි යවන දිනය තියෙන්න ඕනේ. Then we have to write the receiver's designation. ලබන්නාගේ තනතුර. මේ අපි යවන letter එක ලැබෙන කෙනාගේ තනතුර ලියන්න ඕනේ. For example, විදුහල්පතිට ලියනවා නම් principal කියලා මෙතන designation එක තියෙන්න ඕනේ. Then we have to write the receiver's address. ලබන්නාගේ ලිපිනය. Then comes the salutation. The salutation is usually dear sir or madam. Then this is the main part of a formal letter. This is not there in an informal letter. The topic. What we are going to tell from the letter should be written clearly in the topic. Then comes the body of the letter. මෙතන තමයි අපිට අවශ්‍ය කරුණු ටික ලියන්නේ. Then we write the closing of the letter and then we put the ending. Ending is usually yours faithfully, yours sincerely. Likewise, very formal ending should be there. Then we have to put the sender's signature. යවන්නාගේ අත්සන තියෙන්න ඕනේ. Then we write underneath that the sender's name and designation. යවන්නාගේ නම සහ එයාගේ තනතුරක් තියෙනවා නම් we can write the designation here. Now, I hope you all got a good idea about what formal letters are. So, let's do this activity from your pupil's book, page number 56 and 57. There is a letter for you to read. ඔයාලට තියෙනවා letter එකක් කියවන්න. මෙන්න මේ letter එක කියවලා you have to complete this table given. The first one is sender's address, date, receiver's designation. Now you know what designation means. Receiver's address, salutation, topic, complimentary clause, which is the ending of the letter, sender's name, sender's designation. මේ දේවල් ටික දීලා තියෙන letter එකෙන් හොයලා මෙන්න මේ වගුව සම්පූර්ණ කරන්න තමයි ඔයාලට තියෙන්නේ. After doing the first activity, you have another activity on page number 58. Activity number 14. You have to write a letter Imagine you are the secretary of the Science Society of your school. You have planned to visit a shoe factory in your area to see how shoes are made. Write a letter to the manager of this factory asking for permission to make this visit. Now, if you see, the letter in activity number 13 is also asking for permission to requesting for permission to visit somewhere. So in this letter also you need to write a letter of request to visit a shoe factory. That is the only thing that you have to change here. You have to include the following. ඇතුළත් කරන්න ඕන දේවල් මෙන්න මේවා. The purpose of your visit. වාගේ purpose එක අරමුණ මේ visit එක කරන්න වාගේ අරමුණ මොකක්ද? Number of students and teachers, the date and time of your visit, and request for permission. I hope you all understood the lesson very well. So let's learn about informal letters from our next lesson. Until that, goodbye children. Have a nice day.